Okay, I want to do an article. We'll do a new page. We're live yet? There we go. Okay. I'm going to do a new page, Jay, and we're going to do it on, gosh, what topic can we do it on? Okay, I have an idea. So I'm going to do a new page. And this is a page that you doesn't necessarily have to go into a category. This could be one that you just advertise out or you post out in the place. So okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to be very specific. The more specific, the better it is to write the stuff and then to get it modified. The trick is we don't want to have it be AI, but we want to use AI to create it. And so this is just an example of how we can get this done. So I'm gonna go here and I've got this. That's the title, right? And this title, and Jay, you better back this page up, okay?
I will.
I'm gonna make that the key phrase. I'm gonna make it the slug, and I'm gonna make it the meta description, and I'm gonna add to it too. So we're going to do an article. I'm going to copy that as a meta. That'll be how we start out. And I'm going to go ahead and publish it so that it's done. Now, again, this is an article direction, right? This isn't an offer page per se, even though it's going to be in the art of performance blogging. We're making an article page that's going to highlight the membership side, right? So
okay.
And you're going to need to build a contact us page as well. And this is a new thing I'm adding as of the 18th of March, right? So I'm gonna make a contact us thing. In fact, I should just do that really quick. Jay, I'm gonna do this really quick here. I have my contact us on RRR3. I don't have one on RRR3, do I? I don't think I do.
You did it in 1F16, didn't you?
Yeah, that's the you guys. I have 8 that I build. Bear with me. Yeah, I really like where we're progressing overall. This has come a long ways. Okay, I'm going to go to contact us because everybody's going to need this. It's just one of those things that it's contact us, or there's other ways to do it, but we got to do a call to action on it. Like contact us, contact us, contact us. We can't do it too much. All right, so I'm going to edit the page. I'll paste that there. Okay, right there. I'm going to copy that. And that top line is unique for you now. So we leave that alone. You got to modify the rest. Just reword it. You know how to do that.
Okay.
Right. And then obviously put your name on there. I'm going to just hit publish. So this is done. And mainly so I can tie into your contact us page. So that's done. Now I go here and I can add that there. So before I do that, let me go back to mine. Do that there too. So and I'll back mine up as well. I'm actually so that's you guys, we're in the headlines and stuff, but I'm gonna go to my backup drive so you guys can see it. For those that don't know what that means, you should be learning this right from the get-go when you walk through here. I'm gonna do that as uncategorized, new, Google Doc, create and share. And it's really important we back things up just in case we have a corruption or an issue. It means you don't lose your work, and it means we can replace it super quick. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to do a modification again. This is so important. I'm going to do it again. Everybody should have one of these pages, and I will modify it a million times. So I can say this so many different ways. It's not hard, right? So for me, the easiest way is just to do it over again. Honestly, it is. So I'll leave this Rory and Tanya record here. I'm going to do more of a community site for me. And some of you can say a lot because you're an instructor, you're doing more. I'm just going to start from scratch. It's actually the best way to do it for me. Let's do the meta description first. And I'm just going to come here really quick because I was doing this. New. Oh, I did right here. Contact us. Keyword. Contact us. Slug. Contact -us. Meta. I'm doing right now. Copy that. Kind of my opening on the top. So I have that in there. I have my photo here. That says contact us. That's great. I'm going to change the link here so it goes to mine. And it says contact us. I'm actually going to have it go to the PBS page because I like to have everything go somewhere. That's an internal link. I don't need to have it open a new page. This is here. This I'm going to make heading 3. And text is this simple guide 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go here and I'm literally going to make it a list and I'm going to make it numbered. And because I like to do this, I'm going to highlight the first sentence piece. So it's boom, boom, boom. I'm going to highlight this. Then I'm going to go here and it's basically going to tell me I don't have enough words, I think. Let's see. Text length, yep, not enough words. That's pretty much it. Key phrase and subheading, that's fine. If I just take out the ing, that'll make it almost green by itself. Here are the simple steps to contact us. To contacting us, this is fine. And then I'm going to come down here and I need to add more text, right? I'm going to make this a heading 3 and blue. That's what I do. I'm green already, but I got to finish my thought out now. So this is it. And I like to have 3 things. I don't like anything 3 or 5. Do not like, there's something about even, it just doesn't work out right. And 3 just looks better. Our minds like the odd number. Okay, and so I'm going to just make that a bold as well. I'm literally just going to grab those three, do a list. And I don't need to number this list. So it's, they go here, they read this. This time of format's easy to read. So like I can do this multiple times. This is a whole different contact page. And I'm going to hit publish. And then I'm going to grab my, do I need the meta description? I do. So I'm going to grab the meta, I'm going to grab the meta. Copy that. I'm going to close that, open that, go to code editor. It's there, enter, enter. I'm going to go to the page. I'm going to click on this in here, Control A, Control C. I'll exit the code editor and update the measure. I'll go to my entitled page and paste that. That's going to be saved. Now I click on this. All I do is click here to contact us. This page is backed up inside of my Google Doc system that we teach you when you are doing step 1. And I'll go ahead and close that out as backed up. That page is created and backed up, good to go. My contact us page is good. All right, I got to make sure Rory 3 is my main page I'm building. It's got hundreds of pages. And it's going to have even more as I keep growing. And I'm going to show you how we build pages here in a second. But this, if you don't back up along the way and you forget, I promise you when there's a problem, you will be so mad at yourself. It doesn't take that long to back it up. Back it up. Okay, back to where we were. You got your contact us page there. You're going to modify this and back it up. Okay, Jay?
Okay.
All right. But we're going to back to the article we're building, right? This Wine of the Month Club creates incredible things for its members. That's something we can now post out as a wine thing. And we're not in your face with it. It's an article. We're going to put information out, right? So now I take this and I'm going to go to Chat GPT and we're going to really write something on here. And I'm going to do it in new chat. And I'm going to do this in the 4. And I'm going to put write as a wine. I'm going to put write as an expert. Write a 1,200 word to 1,500 word. Actually, I'll say write a, I'm not going to give it the words. I'll try a couple different. As an expert in wine, write the advantage, write about the advantages of direct to consumer Wine of the Month Club as it with exclusive labels and wines from Napa and Sonoma Valley. Include how receiving from the winemakers to your door savings allow for exquisite wines of high value to be sent to you directly at a fraction of the retail value. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. That's what we're going to write out there. And I'm really going to go to my, I'm going to go back to here, and I'll come back here in a second. I'm going to go back to the headlines and ads training. And I'm going to go to the AI utilization. Oops. I'm going to create new Google Doc. And I'm going to go prompts for building Wine of the Month content. All right, so I'm just going to do that. So you guys, what did he do? I'm just going to keep track of it, try to be more detailed on it. The prompts are everything. And the more we learn this, the more we work on the prompting, we can work with this AI. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit enter. And I'm literally going to just sit back and watch and wonder. Oh, I need a piece of candy.
Rory, I'm here if you need any help with anything.
Yeah, if you just keep helping people in, that's the best right now.
All right, no worries.
And thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we all know the club a little bit better than you guys been around for a long time. So some of the stuff we don't need to use. It's all good. So now, I'm going to grab this. I'm going to go to your page. I'm going to paste it. And now we're going to start modifying it. And what I like to do is I like to rewrite it first myself. And then I'm going to check it. And I'm going to do it by paragraph because I'm used to doing the changes anyway. So I'm going to do it. Now, because I rewrote all this, I don't need to really check it, right? I don't because I rewrote so much of it. So
Okay.
what it comes down to is when it gets to technical things. I don't need to check everything. Like you get to know, like I rewrote that. That's fine. What it does is inspired me in a direction to go, and I just go with it. I mean, that's why it's like it gave me content to market. Like I can come up with the stuff, but when you use AI, and it puts a thing together, it gives me something to start with. That's the most important thing, is I have a starting point. Now I address the, and oh, okay, I want to say this more and more. That's the best part about it. It's not replacing what we're doing. It gives me a direction of what we do. Like us.
It's weird as you're writing, the content becomes gobbledygook and then it clears up and then it comes back to like
That's exactly what it is.
crypto and then it comes back to English.
Yeah. It's just like when you clean your room, right?
Yeah.
If you're trying to organize something, like Kenny always says, hey, come check this out, because she's organized the whole room. And I'm like, I'll walk in there and she's like, I know it's horrible, but it'll be better when I'm done. I'm like, it's always that way, right? But she's the whole process, and I go back in and it's amazing. And it's the same thing, right? The process seems messy. The messier, the better. But it's where do you start, and what's the pattern of how we write? And this is what I like about this AI is, like, my brain's been trained is to go a different direction and find stuff and put it together. That took a long time to get there. AI just does it so quick. It's a good starting base, and that's why I want to utilize it. But we still got to teach you the gems of the how to tweak it, how to write it, and that's what we're doing. Let's see. This direct consumer wine at the month club. Now I'm going to take this consumer of the wine at the club, and we're going to go to your fine wines page. And all this other stuff here, we're getting really dicey. I can just take it out. Now I know this is all original, but I got it from that direction, right?
Yeah.
Advantages, direct consumer wine of the month club. And I'm going to put include. And I'm going to actually bold, hyperlink, fine wines. Copy that. So conglomerates. And actually, I like a different format, so I'm actually going to change the format as I go to this. Right, I'm gonna do this. So this is going to be a heading 3. You guys are welcome to copy my formats. Doesn't bother me to go. See, this is kind of heading 3. You guys know I go blue.
I follow your direction on that as well.
Significant cost. But I said I don't need to check that because I totally wrote something unique. I already know it. I gotta be careful what I say. And so I'm gonna get rid of all this. So I don't need to check that anyway because I'm not using it. And I'm just using it for mainly, I'm using the AI for inspiration, for direction. And then I don't need to check it. Now, then
Contact us.
right. And then I'm obviously going to make that a link internally. And so just go to the final lines again. This I'll make a, my computer just froze, hold on. Or make it a heading 4. And I like to do it along the right. And we need a photo. So let's see what it isn't like. We don't have an image readability subheading. I got to figure that out. Transition words and sentence length. So this needs to break up for sure. We just got to get creative as we do that. I'm gonna make this a heading, instead of a heading 3, I'm gonna go heading 4, just a little smaller. And I'm gonna go, I'm actually gonna go purple on it just there. That's actually fine. I broke it up. Let's see, readability, transition words, and sentence length. So I'll go ahead and check on the sentence length. I have some ones. I got to work on some of these.
I do the same thing all the time. Add on sentences and just keep going and going and going.
Yeah, it's something that's easy to fall in the trap of doing, and then as you correct them, eventually your brain. So it's like everything is kind of like riding a bike to me. When you fall down, you skin your knee, your body's like, okay, I'm not going to do that again. I'm going to make sure I balance. And out of sheer necessity of not having pain, we adjust. This is painful to change this, but the more I do it, when I write again and again and again, I'm going to get better and better at it, right? And that this is even me. And this, I haven't had this issue for a long time, but I'm modifying the stuff they have. And what I've noticed about AI in today's world is they put long sentences in, or it does, whatever how that works. The stuff I wrote down below, short. The stuff that I had from when I was modifying theirs, it's longer. And that's because that's what it was. I'm going to add to that one. So that tweaks it a little bit, not really. So I need to either add more sentences to change the percentage, or I got to modify them. I say I'm orange. We're getting better. And I need transition words anyway, so I got to build that in. All right, so now, so it's dropped that. Now I just need transition words. Readability is green. So I can actually leave that for now. I'm going to go to SEO, and I got key phrase density, which is this. I need to add it again. Actually, and key phrase in the subheading. So I'll just make it a subheading. And let it be like the conclusion part. That's fine.
Hey, Rory, hate to interrupt.
Okay, good.
I would like to see that. And I don't know if you know, but it's coming through like a piece of paper underwater. The ink is smeared. I think that's what Jay was trying to say earlier, the gobbledygook, and all of a sudden.
Yeah.
It looks like hieroglyphics, but then it clears up and then it comes back.
I didn't know if he was writing in Egyptian or Chinese.
It's a bandwidth.
Yeah. I wonder if you stopped screen sharing and restarted, it would fix it. There's probably, oh, and the hands went down. They're probably the same thing. They want to see it too. That's okay. We can go to your site and see it.
Actually, this is on Jay's site. I'll post it up here in a second. I'm going to try something. Is that cleared up yet?
No, it got a little bolder, but it's still hieroglyphics. We can see that this Wine of the Month Club creates incredible things for its members very clearly. And the rest is Egyptian.
Yeah, I'm trying
Now
everything I know.
it's clear. Now we can read it.
Yeah, it's clear. Beautiful. I just did I walked around the house like an Egyptian.
Oh, that's good.
It's like a rain dance,
Well,
but it's
like an Egyptian.
it worked.
Now you're gonna get a photo in here. Okay, so I'm gonna try something and if it gets worse, I need you to let me know.
I'll put it in chat so I don't interrupt your flow again.
No, let me, I'll know right away if it gets worse. That worse?
No,
Good. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. I gotta go to get I'm gonna go to Dropbox. I'm gonna go to the images. We have a lot of wine images, and I really want a good one. So we'll wait for this to pull up, or I'll go get a new one. I actually like this one, so we're using it.
that's awesome.
And then I need the let's see, line right. Then we'll look at SEO. It doesn't not like. I'm not gonna worry about the key phrase length. I gotta figure out something else. Key phrase and subheading. I did that already. Outbound links. Okay. All right, I gotta change. I actually gotta change this. We gotta be green. So this wine of the month club offers. Let's see if it makes it. Um, Yeah, I can do one thing here. I can just have this go. Oh, I'll do that here. Do you know what your username is for DTC, Jay?
J Fish.
Like
Oh,
that?
I'm sorry. It's Fish J 3. Fish J 3.
JAY or J?
JAY 3. Number 3. Yeah.
Okay. I like to go to the other offer page, but I'm going to put that in there as an outbound link for it. Now we're green. Okay.
Awesome.
So I got a lot of the content and the direction from there, and that's done. And then obviously this is the original page, and this is one that you can just post out places. I need a preview.
Incredible. Thank you so much.
That glad you can see it now too. So I'm going to copy that. I can close that out now. And I'll put that in the chat. All right. So let's do some more prompts.
Awesome.
I'm going to eliminate
Awesome.
something really quick. I know if I've had too many tabs opened up, I probably do. So I'm going to close down some things. Okay. So we'll share this, Jay, like, and the marketing stuff. So I have that there. Let's go ahead and do another one. There, you got that. But let's get your Google AdSense up.
Awesome.
So and this is one that you want to, when you mark it, you want to put this out there because it's an information page.
Awesome. Yeah.
But utilize that, right? Okay. All right, so that's done. You got your contact page too, and make sure you back these up.
I will.
Okay.
I wrote my notes to myself.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to close yours out. We're going to all right, let's go see now. I need to create, I want to do some ad stuff here soon too, but let's keep on the creating side. Oh, I'm going to show you how to modify. So let me stop my share for just a second. Okay, oh, there we go. Okay, let me stop the share. That share it's kind of my resources. Okay, so somehow we go on this. Let's look, put my video back on since I'm not sharing. Let's find somebody else's site that I can pick on. So who is the, let's see. Who's the last person that signed up in, actually, I'm going to stop the recording for a second. We're going to find somebody. So let me stop this recording.
Thank you so much, by the way.
Oh, you bet, Jay.
Appreciate you.
Maybe. Oh, I just realized. This is funny for me. Hold on a second. I'll pick it up in